Hey, welcome to the Unified Channel. Imagine a world where money is digital, decentralized, and in your control. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that use blockchain technology. Unlike traditional money, they aren't controlled by governments or banks. But how can crypto change your life? Let's break it down. Crypto gives you full control of your money, without relying on banks. With a secure wallet, you hold the keys to your financial future. Cryptocurrency opens the door to financial services for everyone, no matter where you live. Sending or receiving money is now easy and borderless. A graph showing Bitcoin's growth over the years, with coins stacking up and people celebrating small but steady gains. Crypto is not just about money, it's creating new careers. From developers to analysts, content creators, and traders, the crypto space is booming with opportunities. DeFi, or decentralized finance, is a system where you can lend, borrow, or invest without needing a bank. All you need is a crypto wallet. How to start your crypto journey? Ready to get started? Here's how you can begin your crypto journey in just a few steps. 1. Create a wallet. Step 1. Create a secure crypto wallet, your digital vault. Step 2. Buy your first cryptocurrency from a reliable exchange. You can start small. Step 3. Learn about the market and explore different coins and tokens. Step 4. Stay safe by using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your private keys secure. Cryptocurrency is more than a trend. It's a revolution in how we think about money and finance. Whether you're investing, earning, or using it to transact, crypto has the power to change your life. So, are you ready to join the crypto revolution? Start small, learn along the way, and take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out related video in our channel. It dives deeper into crypto and will help you. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like so you don't miss any future content. And if you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.